Hello everyone, thanks for watching this video. My name is Deepak. I am a senior integration consultant here at Integration Works, and today I'm gonna give you a quick demo of our new MuleSoft connector for the OSIsoft PyHistorian. So with this new connector, you can seamlessly integrate your applications with the OSIsoft PyHistorian system. So let's start with the quick overview first. So as you can see, it's a REST-based connector. It provides the capability to work with streams, points, elements, and assets in the PyHistorian system. It also provides the data sense support, which helps developers to understand the data structure while designing the application. Now let's get started with the demo. Okay, so in this demo, I'll create a small application with HTTP listener, which will retrieve the stream summary information from the Py server. So let me add the HTTP listener first. Then I will add get stream summary by ID operation. And to prepare the request for the Py server, I will also add transfer message here. To connect with the Py server, we need to provide the following information. And for the sake of this demo, I'll just use the existing configuration which I created earlier. And now for this operation, we just need to pass the web ID to the server. So I'll map the query parameter to the web ID field. And now I'll just configure the HTTP listener. Okay, so now we are all set to test the application. Let me just start it. Okay, so the application is started now. Let's go to the Postman to quickly test it. Okay, so I will paste the application URL here. As you can see, we have received the successful response from our application and we are successfully managed to connect with the Pi server. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or feedbacks, please send them over to the following address. Thank you.